Vitamix is a brand that ignites culinary passions. Renowned for its trust among professional chefs, Vitamix has also captured the hearts of home cooks around the globe. Whether you're a food enthusiast, health-conscious individual, or simply enjoy indulging in restaurant-quality smoothies at home, Vitamix is your ideal companion. When you're ready to invest in your passion and take your culinary creations to the next level, Vitamix is the ultimate choice. Here are the key features of Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Unleash culinary precision with variable speed control. With Vitamix, you have complete control over your blending experience. Featuring 10 variable speeds, you can refine every texture with precision, from velvety smooth purées to hearty soups bursting with flavor. This functionality ensures that your culinary creations are tailored exactly to your preferences, allowing you to experiment and perfect your recipes effortlessly. Discover the Pulse feature for creative culinary artistry. Take your recipes to new heights with the Pulse feature offered by Vitamix blenders. This feature allows you to layer coarse chops over smooth purees, resulting in delectable dishes such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. The Pulse feature adds versatility to your culinary repertoire, inspiring you to unleash your creativity in the kitchen. The perfect size for family meals, Vitamix understands the importance of convenience in family cooking. The 48-ounce container is specifically designed for blending medium batches, making it ideal for small family meals. The cutting blades, measuring 3 inches in diameter, guarantee consistent blending every time. Now you can effortlessly prepare wholesome meals that satisfy the entire family. Unyielding strength with hardened stainless steel blades. Vitamix blenders are equipped with aircraft-grade stainless steel blades that can handle the toughest ingredients. From the first blend to the last, you can expect the same exceptional quality results. The durability of these blades ensures longevity, making your Vitamix blender a reliable companion on your culinary journey. Effortless cleaning for busy lives. In a fast-paced world, Vitamix understands the need for convenience. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix machine can clean itself in just 30 to 60 seconds. This self-cleaning feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your passion for cooking. The package includes a motor base, a 48 ounces container, a mini tamper, and a cookbook to further enhance your culinary adventures. Enhanced design for optimal performance. Vitamix blenders are equipped with a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system. These design features ensure that your blender remains cool during prolonged use, preventing overheating and ensuring optimal performance. With Vitamix, you can blend with confidence, knowing that your blender is built to withstand demanding tasks. Conclusion: Vitamix has established itself as the brand of choice for both professional and home kitchens. With its variable speed control, Pulse feature, versatile container size, hardened stainless steel blades, self-cleaning capability, and thoughtful design, Vitamix blenders empower you to create culinary masterpieces. Elevate your cooking experience and invest in your passion with Vitamix. Experience the joy of effortless blending, culinary precision, and endless possibilities in your kitchen.